Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is chapter number 11, part 1. The chapter name is mensuration. This is the first part of this chapter, and in this part we will discuss and we will cover parameter and area of the given diagram. So here first of all we are going to discuss some formula about these given diagrams. So first, this is rectangle which has four sides and opposite sides are equal. If one of the side is given a centimeter and this is b centimeter, then what will be the area of this diagram? Simply a into b. That means length into breadth. Now the next one is, this is the shape of a square where all four sides are equal to each other. If one side is given a, that means the area is a into a. Simply, now the next one is triangle. Here the base is given b and height is given h. The formula will be half into base into height. Now the next one is parallelogram. Parallelogram, we know that the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So here base is given and height is given. The formula of area of parallelogram is base into height. It's very simple. Now the next one is circle. A circle is given where radius is given. We have to find area, so the formula of area will be pi r square. This formula is used in this first exercise. Now let's understand how to find the area of these figures. So find the area of the following figures. Question number A. The figure is given. This is a parallelogram like this, and this is base and this is height. Area is base into height. So simply base is given 14 centimeter and height is given 7 centimeter. So just write here b equals to 14 centimeter and height equals to 7 centimeter. We have to find area of the parallelogram. That means formula will be base into height as given in this b into h. So just put the value, base is 14 and height is 7. Now just multiply. 7 4 is 28, 8 2 carry, 7 is 7 9, 98 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the unit of area. Now this is the way to find the area of parallelogram. Now the next one is, this is half circle where radius is given. Let's suppose this is center, then it will be radius. So radius is given 7 centimeter. This is diameter, which is 14 centimeter. Here if we find the radius, then 14 by 2, it will be 7 centimeter. Simply same. So the area of circle is pi r square as given in this figure. Area of circle is pi r square. So here the half circle is given. So area is divided by 2 because there are half circle. So the area of half circle will be pi r square by 2. So just put the value pi, that means 22 by 7 by 2, that means into 2, and r square. R is given here 7 centimeter. So 7 into 7 we can write. So just simplify it. 7 cancel out. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 11. 11 into 7, that is 77 centimeter square. Now it's very simple. This is the answer. And this is the way to find the half circle, area of half circle. Now the next one, that is question number C. A triangle is given here and all three sides are given and height is given 7 centimeter. We have to find the area of this triangle. The formula will be half into base into height. This is base and this is height. So formula of area of triangle will be half into base into height, where base is given 14 centimeter. This is base 14 centimeter. So here base is given 14 centimeter and height is given 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. So just put the value of base and height in this formula. So half into base is equal to 14 and height is 7. Now 2 and 14 cancel out, 2 7 is 14. Now 7 into 7, that is 49 centimeter square, and this is the answer. Now this is very simple. Just write the formula and put the value and then find the answer. Now next one is, this is a rectangle. This figure is look like this figure. So this is the diagram of rectangle where one side is A centimeter and another is B centimeter. You can say breadth is A centimeter and length is B centimeter. Then area will be length into breadth, that is A into B. So simply in this formula, A equals to 4 centimeter and B equals to 8 centimeter. This parameter is given. We have to find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle will be A into B. So just put the value. A is 4 centimeter and B is 8 centimeter. Now 4 8 is 32 centimeter. Now this is the answer, and this is the complete solution, and this is the way to find the area of given diagram where some parameters are given. This formula you have to learn and you have to understand this figure and learn the formula. This is about area. This is the introduction part of area. Now next, parameter of a given diagram. What is parameter? Simply parameter means simply the addition of measurement of all sides of the given figure. That means if a figure is given, there are lots of sides and whose measurement is given, we have to find parameter of this diagram. That means simply we have to add all the measurements of all the sides of this figure. Now let's do some questions. Now question number A. This rectangle is given where length 14 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter, which is given here. We have to find parameter of this rectangle. So simply we know that opposite sides are equal. That means this is 14 centimeter. It will be also 14 centimeter. This one is 7 centimeter. That means opposite sides are equal. So it will be also 7 centimeter. And what we have to do, we have to find the parameter. Then parameter, let's suppose parameter denotes by capital P. So what I have said earlier, what is the mean of parameter? It is the addition of all measurements of sides which is given in the figure. So there are 4 sides and there are 4 measurements are given. So just add these 4 measurements. That means 14 centimeter plus 7 centimeter plus 14 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So 14 plus 14, that is 28 centimeter, plus 7 plus 7, that is 14 centimeter. Now just add this. 8 plus 4, 12, 2, carry 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 42 centimeter. Now it's very simple. This is the answer, 42 centimeter. This is the parameter of a rectangle. We can find parameter by using another method. By using formula, we can also find the parameter of this rectangle. So we just find it. Here I am going to find formula of parameter of a rectangle is P equals to 2L plus B. 2 length plus breadth. Let me just put the value. 2 L is given here 14 centimeter plus B is given 7 centimeter, breadth is given 7 centimeter. Now just simplify it. 2, 14 plus 7, that is 21. 2 into 21, it will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 42 centimeter. And this is the same answer, 42 centimeter, and this is 42 centimeter. We can find the parameter by the formula, or you can simply add all the measurements of sides which is given. Now this is very simple. Now the next one is square is given here, where each sides are we know that all the sides are equal to each other. So the measurement of side is given 7 centimeter. So simply we have to find parameter. We know that all sides are equal to each other in a square. So 7 centimeter, it will be 7 centimeter. It will be also 7 centimeter. So parameter will be addition of all sides, addition of all measurements of sides. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So it will be 28 centimeter. Now it's very simple. Just add all the measurements of sides. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. There are 4 7, 28 centimeter. And this is the answer. We can also find the parameter by formula. So we know that the formula of parameter of a square is, there are 4 sides, so 4 multiplied by 1 side, that is, let's suppose the side is x centimeter. The formula will be parameter equals to 4x, where x is the side of square. So just put the value 4 into side of square is 7. So 7, 4 7 is 28 centimeter. Now this is the answer. We can also find by the formula or simply the addition of all sides. You can get the answer. Now the next one is question number C. A circle is given here and the radius is also given, that is 7 centimeter. R equals to 7 centimeter and parameter will be the circumference of the circle. So we know that the length of circumference of a circle is, the formula will be 2 pi r. Okay, so the circumference, we can write parameter, circumference equals to parameter equals to 2 pi r. This is the formula. And we also know that the area of the circle, that is pi r square, and the length of circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so just put the value here. 2 pi is 22 by 7 and R will be 7 centimeter. Now 7 and 7 cancel out. What is left here? 2 into 22. That is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. 44 centimeter. Now this is the answer. And it's very simple. Now the next one is question number D. Here the triangle is given and all three sides is given here. We have to find the parameter of a triangle. So simply parameter of a triangle equals to P stands for parameter, sum of all sides. So there are three sides. So just add these three sides, that is 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 30 centimeter. So it will be 10 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. So this is 10 plus 20, that is 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter. So it will be 60 centimeter. And this is the answer. Now parameter equals to sum of all sides, that is 10 plus 20 plus 30. So this is 10 plus 20 plus 30. 10 plus 20, that is 30 centimeter, and this will be 30 centimeter. 30 plus 30, that is 60 centimeter. And this is the answer. This is the simply way to understand how can we solve the questions about parameters. These are the explanation. Now question number E. This is the shape of parallelogram where one side is given 14 centimeter and the other will be given here. Let's suppose this is 18 centimeter, okay, and other will be given 16 centimeter. So this is small side, that is 16 centimeter, and this is large side that is 18 centimeter. Now here we have to find the parameter. So we know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So this is 16 centimeter. So this side is equal to this side because these are opposite sides. So it will be also 16 centimeter. Now this is 18 centimeter. So opposite sides is also same. So it will be also 18 centimeter. Now here we have to find parameter. So parameter equals to sum of all four sides. So this is 18 plus 18 centimeter plus 16 centimeter plus 18 centimeter plus 16 centimeter. Now this is the measurements. So just simplify it. 18 plus 16 plus 18 plus 16. So 18 plus 18, that is 36 centimeter plus 16 plus 16, that is 32 centimeter. Now just add it. 6 plus 2, that is 8. 3 plus 3, that is 6. 68 centimeter. And this is the answer. Simply add all sides and get the answer. Now this is the complete explanation or introduction part of chapter number 11, that is mensuration. And in next video we will discuss exercise 11.1, and in that exercise the questions given on the basis of parameter and area, which I have explained earlier to you. Now in next video we will discuss exercise 11.1. If you have any doubt in this video or queries regarding this video, you can send the message in class 8 WhatsApp group, or you can comment in the comment box. Thank you so much, students.